Start muna tayo kay Ryan.
Sige po.
Dahil, ano sabi nyo?
May babasahin din kayo love letter. Galing po ng BAR. Ryan Bang versus Republic of the Philippines.
Asan po CR dito?
Ryan, always remember that you are special to me and I love you more than my boyfriend. Thanks for loving me like your real nanay. I will always be there for you. You may lose everything, but you will never lose me. And stop being jealous, because I will not trade you for any guy. I love you, baby. P.S. I will help you pay your utang to BIR because I love you. Love, Nanay Vice.
Oh.
Ay, tutulungan ka niya, bongga. Oh, Nanay Vice. Oh, ano gusto mo sabihin kay Vice? Kay asawa ko. Oh.
Siyempre, Nanay Vice, I love you so much. Alam na alam mo yon. Siyempre, maraming salamat. Kahit anong problema dumating sa akin, tutulungan mo sa akin. Yeah, maraming salamat. I love you so much. Alam mo yan. Yeah.
Oh, ito na. Mahal.
Ay.
Thank you sa lahat ng effort mo na maging